Webador versus Shopify. Which one is actually better for building a profitable online store in 2026? If you're watching this, you're probably trying to avoid making the wrong choice. Because switching platforms later is expensive, stressful, and time-consuming. So in this video, I'll give you a clear, honest comparison and help you choose the right platform based on your goals. This comparison is especially important if you are a beginner starting your first online store, a small business owner moving online, or someone serious about building long-term e-commerce income. Because the right choice depends on one thing. How serious are you about growth? Let's start with simplicity. Webador is extremely beginner-friendly. It's drag and drop. It's clean. It's easy to understand. You can build a basic website very quickly. And if your goal is just to create a simple site with a few products, Webador works fine. But here's the important question. What happens when you want to grow? This is where Shopify separates itself. Shopify is not just a website builder. It's a complete e-commerce system. You get advanced inventory management, built-in abandoned cart recovery, professional checkout optimization, multiple payment gateways, thousands of powerful apps. Shopify was built specifically to sell. Webador added e-commerce. Shopify was designed for it. That difference becomes very important once you start getting traffic. Most beginners make this mistake. They choose the cheaper, simpler platform. Then, 6 months later, they outgrow it. If you plan to run Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, or build automated email marketing, Shopify gives you the infrastructure to scale. Better analytics, better integrations, more flexibility. Webador is great for simple websites. Shopify is built for serious e-commerce businesses. Now let's talk about pricing. Yes, Webador can look cheaper up front. But once you start adding e-commerce features and comparing the long-term value, Shopify gives you far more tools for growth. And they offer a free trial, so you can test everything yourself, risk-free. So here's the honest breakdown. If you just want a small personal website, Webador is enough. But if you want to build a real online business, if you want scalability, automation, marketing power, and long-term income potential, Shopify is the smarter choice. If you decide to try Shopify, I've placed my official Shopify free trial link in the description below. Use that link to start your store. You don't need technical skills. You don't need coding. Just start. Explore the dashboard. Add a product. See how powerful it feels. If you're serious about building real e-commerce income, start with a platform that can grow with you. And that platform is Shopify.